Nous revoilà et vous revoilà. Finissez de vous installer. Merci à tous.
Ready to pitch?
Ok, on vous avait promis une surprise. Eh ben, elle arrive tout de suite. La surprise, elle porte sur les héros de ces 2 journées, c'est-à-dire sur vous.
Vous pouvez. It's a surprise. We promised a surprise, and here it is. It's about you.
Vous pouvez vraiment vous applaudir. Super et super souvenir pour vous, je pense.
Give yourselves a big round of applause. It's a great memory for you.
Ok. On arrive à un moment clé maintenant de ce parcours, puisque c'est celui des pitchs et des présentations.
So we've arrived at the most important part now. It's the pitch.
Donc on va être un petit peu militaire pour vous expliquer quelques règles pour qu'il y ait beaucoup d'énergie et qu'on ne s'ennuie pas dans cette heure.
So we need to explain just a few of the rules so that it goes very well.
Nous avons 16 groupes qui vont passer, 2 minutes par groupe. À chaque fois, je vais appeler un groupe et j'appellerai le suivant pour que vous puissiez vous préparer, que vous ne mettiez pas une demi-heure à venir sur scène. Ok ?
So we're going to have 16 groups to pitch. We're going to call each group to the front and also the group that will be next. So listen carefully and you come up as we call.
À chaque pitch, vous pourrez voter, si vous l'aimez ou si vous ne l'aimez pas. Vous avez l'adresse sur WhatsApp. Donc je vous engage tous à aller voir WhatsApp et vous aurez l'URL pour pouvoir voter.
So you're going to vote for one of the pitches that you like the best.
Ok ? Donc chaque groupe, vous venez 1, 2, 8 personnes, peu importe. Vous devez être prêt par rapport à ça. En français ou en anglais, les présentations.
So you can do it in French or English.
Okay. Le premier groupe sera, alors simplement pour tous les groupes, quand je vais vous donner votre numéro, vous venez relativement rapidement et vous passez derrière la scène, vous ferez une entrée de derrière la scène.
Okay, so when we call your group, you go around the stage and come through the back, please.
On fait un exemple avec le premier groupe qui est le groupe 71.
So the first group, 71, come up.
Vous venez rapidement vous mettre derrière la scène.
Come behind the scene. Group 71.
Alors, une autre instruction, c'est pas parce qu'on a commencé par le groupe 71 que le groupe 5, 6, 10 ou 20 ne peuvent pas passer. Les numéros sont dans le désordre.
Okay, so the numbers are not in order. We've mixed them up to keep it a surprise.
Alors, je vois pas le groupe 71 derrière la scène, donc ça commence mal. Donc, il va falloir faire vite, et plus vite que ça. Ok ? Donc, vous allez derrière la scène, vous faites
Okay,
le tour.
go in the back.
Vous faites le tour derrière la scène. Voilà, vous avez compris les autres ? Vous faites tous le tour derrière la scène, assez rapidement, s'il vous plaît.
Okay, try to go as fast as you can. Go behind the scene when we call.
Pendant que le groupe 71 se prépare, 3 instructions générales pour tout le monde sur les pitchs. Première instruction, votre posture physique. Vous n'êtes pas comme ça sur un coin de la scène. Essayez de vous mettre au milieu dans la lumière. 1 ou 8 personnes, peu importe, mettez-vous ensemble et occupez l'espace.
Okay, so when you come up, stay in the middle, stay in where we can see you, around here, and take up the space.
Deuxième élément visuel, essayez de ne pas regarder vos pieds, essayez de regarder la salle, essayez de vous tourner aussi un petit peu vers les bords. Donc utilisez aussi tout l'espace visuel de cette belle salle.
Okay, so use all of the space, look all around you, don't look down at your feet. Look in the 3 different angles that you have.
Vous aurez 2 minutes, on aura un chronomètre. 2 minutes, c'est long. Prenez votre temps, ne parlez pas trop vite. Utilisez bien l'ensemble des 2 minutes. C'est dommage d'avoir fini en 1 minute 30.
Okay, so please use the full 2 minutes. Don't speed through it. Don't finish in 1 minute. Take your time, use the 2 minutes.
Le groupe 71 devrait être prêt. Je vais appeler derrière la scène en préparation du groupe suivant, le groupe 63.
So the next group, 63, come up behind the scene.
Et la scène appartient au groupe 71. Si vous voulez voter, c'est le groupe 71. Vous n'aurez qu'un numéro à mettre, ok ? Allons-y pour le groupe 71. Quel accueil et quelle pression. 2 minutes à partir de maintenant, c'est parti.
Let's go.
Hello, okay. Girls, have you ever struggled to find a team to play basketball with? Guys, have you ever struggled to find a team to do some yoga with? Because I have, because you have, we've all been in this situation before. And we have a solution for you. We create various events and we book infrastructures that you're free to join no matter your gender and your level. All you have to do is to connect on the platform and choose the event you want. What do you get from this? You're free to discover any sport you want without any constraints. You get to meet new partners, whether it be men or women. You get to have a discount with our partners on sport equipment. We take care of all the organization. And what do we expect from you? Not much, only a small participation fee per event, meaning no subscription at all. Long story short, all you have to do is to connect, click, and have fun. Come and join us to help us achieve our goal, which is not only to connect people, but also to promote gender mix, meaning increasing by 20% the participation of women in the sport field through conferences, big sport exhibitions, games, and school sensitization. Thank you.
Merci au groupe 71. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Pour les autres groupes, n'hésitez pas à commencer avec le nom, un nom que vous voulez donner à votre service ou à votre solution. Si vous avez adoré le groupe 71, si vous voulez aller voir leur concert, si vous les aimez, vous votez pour eux maintenant.
So don't forget to give your group a name, and if you really like them a lot, you can vote right now.
J'appelle ensuite le groupe 65 qui va venir backstage, derrière la scène. Le groupe 65, s'il vous plaît.
So the next group, 65, come in the back.
Et on va maintenant laisser la scène pour 2 minutes au groupe 63.
Okay, so here we go with the group 63. Group 63.
Allez, on les encourage.
Hello everyone. So we are pleased today to introduce you YWS, which means Young, Wild and Sports. So when we talk about technology, we mostly talk about innovation, performance. But what we want to do today is to have a social impact. And to do so, we want to create an app that makes it possible for athletes to create events to create events and to get in touch with students that are needy students, underprivileged students, and to create events in France. So on this app, the high-level athletes can create an event. They can say where it is, when it is, and then students and facility. It's possible then to create an environment where they can do this. So what we need sponsors we need money to create this app. We also need the support of the state and also a lot of support and athletes that are ready to do this for free, because it is a charity application. And yes, thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup. Super exercice, faut les encourager, c'est pas facile, c'est votre première confrontation avec ce type d'exercice. Vraiment bravo à tous.
So we can see it's maybe a little more challenging than we thought, but bravo. Let's keep going.
Bon, on me dit dans l'oreillette que je n'ai pas d'ailleurs que vous n'allez pas assez vite. Alors pour un festival sur le sport, donc on va vous proposer de vous appeler 2 groupes en même temps et presser un petit peu le pas s'il vous plaît.
Okay, so we're going to try, we ask you to not try to go so fast, please. Take the 2 minutes.
Non, c'est l'inverse. Allez plus vite. Allez plus vite.
Pardon. Okay, go faster. We're going to call
Voilà.
2 teams at once to come.
Donc le groupe 63, si vous avez adoré, vous votez pour eux. On va écouter maintenant le groupe 65 et je vais demander au groupe 105 et 113 de venir backstage.
Okay, 105 and 113, come to the backstage.
Et c'est maintenant le groupe 65 devant vous pour 2 minutes.
65 is going to pitch for you.
Okay.
Ok, go.
So imagine it's Sunday morning and you have the most boring day ever. You have nothing to do, and then luckily there is this amazing discount for a new brunch place just next door. How to get it? Just get a beautiful walk through your neighborhood and get a free coffee. And everybody can. We believe that everybody is capable to move, to get out of their couch and to get in shape. Our aim is to get you out. Our aim is to get you out of your couch. There is already plenty of apps for people who are fit, but there aren't any apps for couch potatoes. So this app is for you.
So the concept of the application is very simple. The idea is to get you out with fun challenges such as walking, bicycle, or running in the city. And those challenges will make you win points and discounts in a lot of shops, such as restaurants or museums in the city. And well, it's like a real live game. So this is very fun. And you can meet a lot of new people, you can make friends, you can discover the city. And so this challenge is for you, and this application is for you if you want to discover the city and make new friends with sport.
So we believe that the most important is not to become a vegetarian, but rather to reduce your meat consumption. And in the same way, we believe that the most important is not to become an athlete, but rather just to get out of your couch. So yes, get out of your couch, motivate your friends, and download the app, and have an impact.
That's it, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Merci.
Thanks.
On vous rappelle que vous ne pouvez ne voter que pour un groupe, donc c'est le coup de cœur à chaque fois. Ok.
So, just a reminder, you only vote for one group.
Le groupe 105 doit être prêt. Le groupe 113 est déjà backstage. Je vais appeler le groupe 116.
So, the group 105 is behind, 113 should be behind, and 116, come.
Parfait. On y va pour le groupe 105.
Here we go, group 105.
Qu'est-ce qui te cherche? C'est quoi? Vous avez eu le brief? Hein, Centre-Seine, hein?
Ouais.
T'as entendu?
Ouais, centre-scène.
T'étais là,
Ouais,
c'est
j'étais
toi?
là.
Ok, parce que j'ai vu que c'était toi qui parlais.
Nowadays, there are 2 million of non-professional gamers only in France and 5 million of esport consumers.
Du leader.
However, esport schools are only focused on gaming skills and not on little details that make the difference. Plus, they offer lessons too expensive. We would like to offer a new way to learn and train in esport. Our solutions is the online platform Early Gamers for young players and future professional gamers to improve cognitive skills, concentration, reactivity, and also soft skills like team building. Thanks to many exercises, for example, psychological tests delivered by coaches and adapted for each sport gamer. This platform is based on the business model of diet coaching online, but for gamers. And this training is a revolutionary way to show esports clubs that a gamer is ready to invest time and is motivated to become professional gamer with a long and successful career. To achieve our goal, we need coaches specialized in brain stimulation and professors in neuroscience and concentration to onboard our whole program. We also need business school professors for team building. If the platform works well, we can grow and offer lessons via Skype to ensure a better personalization of videos on the platform. Concretely, how do you use our platform? First, you pass tests. You make a test to check your level, preferences, and goals. Then, you have a free lesson. And to finish, you can subscribe for 1, 3, 6 months or more if you want. So, join us and level up.
Merci beaucoup. 2 minutes pile, parfait.
Perfect. 2 minutes on the nose.
Le groupe 105, si vous avez aimé, vous pouvez voter maintenant.
So if you liked them, vote right now.
Le groupe 113 va arriver sur scène. Le groupe 116 doit être derrière la scène. Et j'appelle ensuite le groupe 9.
So right now we're going to hear 113. 116 is behind the stage. Now we're going to call group 9. Come forward, please.
Et c'est le groupe 113 maintenant à qui on laisse la parole.
Here we go for the group 113.
Hello, everyone. So we're good governors, and we want to create a link. So we wanted to share with you an experience we've had. For example, the recent match of Lyon's Champions League, we noticed that the stadiums were quite empty. And we're asking ourselves, is it because of the price? And when you look at English stadiums, even though the prices are quite high, you notice that they are still always full. And so it's not only a question of price, and we think that it's maybe a question of how clubs know their supporters. And so our idea is that in France, they don't know enough their clubs. It's not only owned by directors, shareholders. Clubs are owned by supporters, those who are ready to invest in kits, and it's most of the time a tradition. And like Cantona said, you can change your wife, your politics, your religion, but you can't change your club. And so what we want to do, that's where we want to act. Make clubs and supporters more closer to each other once again. And so we want to use data, and we want to allow supporters to know more, to ignite again, once again, the spark. And we want to fill stadium once again, help sponsors and brands to develop a more effective targeting ad. And what we want to do is to integrate in the club's app a way for supporters to receive goodies through questionnaires because they pay quite a lot, and we have to give back something. And we would like to offer them the best possible gifts, and why not collect data at the same time? And so that's our solution. We want to help make supporters and clubs one together once again. And so that's our solution, good governance to create the link. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. Vous êtes les champions du chronomètre, 2 minutes pile. Repartez avec. C'était le groupe 113. Si vous avez aimé, vous votez pour le groupe 113.
So that was the group 116. If you liked them, you can vote for them.
Nous allons avoir le groupe 116 sur scène. Le groupe 9 est en backstage. Et j'appelle ensuite le groupe 19.
So we have the group 113 on 116 coming up. We have group 9 behind. And group 19, please come up.
Allons-y pour le groupe 113.
So here we go for group 113.
116.
116.
Hi everyone.
C'est bien nous.
Hi
2 minutes, c'est
everyone.
parti.
Hi everyone, we are group 116 and we will introduce you to our project called Phoenix. So I'll start with a fact. Did you know that 80% of high-level athletes earn less than the minimum wage after their professional careers? And do you know why?
So there are 3 main reasons why they have no time to focus on their on their career. So first of all, during their professional careers, athletes have no time to focus on their career change. Also, they have a lack of schooling because they have adapted schooling, of course. And there is also a lack of opportunities for them to pursue higher studies. So you may wonder, what are the similarities between an athlete and an entrepreneur?
And actually, there are a lot. They are both excellent competitors with a strong team spirit, a lot of experience, creativity, commitment, and of course, stamina. And that is why my team and I want to turn this potential into a project, into reality with Phoenix. And my partner will explain to you guys what is Phoenix.
So, Phoenix is a startup that aims at backing athletes in their entrepreneurial projects by providing seminars, internships offers, also conferences, and meeting with professionals, and so many other things. And of course, an educational program throughout their sportive career. We don't wait until their career finishes, but we are with them during their professional career.
At the end.
And we want you to be a part of it because we guarantee our investors a tight relationship with our prospect and the priority and the capital of each startup creating by Phoenix. So, well, never let it rest and join Phoenix.
Merci beaucoup. Donc le groupe 116, si vous avez aimé.
That was the group 116.
J'appelle maintenant le groupe 24.
Okay, so group 24. Come up, please. Come behind the stage.
Et nous allons entendre maintenant le groupe numéro 9.
Right now, we're going to hear the pitch of group number 9.
Allez, amusez-vous.
Ah, ils ont beaucoup de supporters déjà. Hein.
Here we go. C'est pour toi.
Hi everyone.
Voilà, ne t'inquiète
We're
pas.
really happy to stand
Il est
here in
branché,
front
il est
of you.
allumé. Je donne de la... hein.
So sports.
Regarde, super
sports.
placement, donc arrangez-vous.
Society.
Try to... Yeah.
Sports is one of the best ways to get integrated
Tiens vraiment
into
là, hein.
society or reintegrated into societies.
Non,
We all know that sports is a way to fulfill ourselves, to get self-confidence, or to do exercise. And we also know that sports can be hard for disabled people because equipment is way more expensive for them. We all know that not everybody can afford to buy 5,000 euros worth wheelchair or 2,000 euros worth prosthesis to just play tennis. So our solution is to create a platform, create an app that can enable these disabled people to access this equipment by renting it. They would rent it every week, once, twice a week, at one of our sports club partner in Lyon. So they would get this prosthesis on Monday, then give it back to the partner, to our partner, so that they could clean it and then give it back to someone else. They only have to pay 70 euros a month on an annual subscription, and then it would be way less expensive for them, and they'd be able to just do sports as we can do. So just roll it.
Merci beaucoup. Le groupe 9, à vos votes, si vous le souhaitez.
So that was the group 9, if you'd like to vote for them.
J'appelle ensuite le groupe 151 à venir derrière la scène.
So group 151, come behind the scene.
Et nous écoutons maintenant le groupe 19.
So here we go for team 19.
Hi everyone, and thank you very much for being here today. My name is Leo, and I'm here to tell you about Linfra. The challenge we're interested in is the new life of sports infrastructure after huge events like the Olympic Games. Innovation being central in our society, technology comes up as the key solution to our finding. Imagine a field that would assemble like a puzzle, different pieces for different pitches, whether it is rugby or football. Imagine a concert floor set up not on the grass that could be damaged, but on its own pieces of the puzzle. Hereof, a single stadium could be able to hold multidisciplinary events. Afterwards, these infrastructures could benefit society and have a reduced impact on the environment. Why would you be wanting to build 3 stadiums when one could do the job? Market-wise, this project is uniting. Many roles to play for many companies. We are speaking of goalposts, fields, seats, renewable materials, and mechanical engineers. With a huge budget of around 1.5 billion, our aim is to unite society throughout many generations with everlasting, multifunctional stadiums. Because no, Linfra doesn't stop here. If you could move a pitch around, why not the whole stadium? We are excited to put this project together, and our motto turns to the future. Just build it. Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup. C'était le groupe 19. Merci à vous.
So that was the team 19. If you like them, you can vote for them.
Vous savez quoi? On est exactement à la mi-temps du match. On en a fait 8. Ça va? Vous tenez le coup? Tout va bien?
So we're at the halftime. Everything going well for you?
Allez, on encourage le groupe 24. Début de la deuxième mi-temps.
Okay, here we go for the group 24.
Et j'appelle le groupe 133, que j'avais oublié au passage.
Okay, so and also we need group 133 to come down and come behind the scene. Here we go, group 24.
Hello everybody. We'll present you Capture. So to begin, let me tell you a short story. In 2015, Andy Murray experienced the lack of focus at a decisive moment. He was winning his match, but seeing Djokovic's attitude made him lose his concentration. And because of this precise moment, it was already too late, and he couldn't win sets anymore. Indeed, in a few seconds, In a few seconds, even a trained athlete can lose its focus without even sometimes knowing it. But now we have the solution, and maybe Andy Murray would have liked to know about Capture. Capture is a cap which analyzes brain activity and sends an electric pulse in order to stimulate the concentration of the athlete. Capture acts on the frontal lobe of your brain. This will allow athletes to always stay focused during games, particularly for individual sports. Because focus is so important in sports, and losing just 1 second of concentration is already enough to make you lose your game. Therefore, everyone needs to be well prepared and well accompanied. Sound Capture is the innovation you didn't even know you needed. That allows you to understand your mind, to see what's going on at each second of the competition in your brain, and to have a complete control over your focus, thanks to the pulse delivered by the cap, and also thanks to the app we developed. So Capture is bringing you an incredible solution to stay focused. Every sportsman should have it. We are selling the cap at the price of €699, and the app is free. And you can custom the cap as you wish. Thanks you for listening, and Capture, fill your mind.
Merci beaucoup. Merci à vous. C'était donc le groupe 24. Là aussi, vous pouvez voter.
That was the group 24. If you like them, you can vote for them.
Le groupe 133, j'espère, est derrière. Je ne l'ai pas vu. J'appelle ensuite le groupe 154.
Okay, group 154, please come up.
Et nous allons entendre maintenant le groupe 151.
Okay, group 151, we're ready for your pitch.
Bonjour à tous. On va faire ça en français, je pense que ce sera plus simple pour chacun d'entre nous. Alors, on va s'adresser à toutes celles et ceux qui ont déjà essayé d'arrondir leur fin de mois avec les paris en ligne. Et vous savez combien ça peut être frustrant de parier sur une équipe qui finit toujours par perdre. Aujourd'hui, on a décidé de changer ça. Vous pouvez être acteur du prochain pari en ligne puisqu'on est en train de vous proposer en fait un site de paris sur les supporters. Un match dans le match. Vous ne pariez plus sur l'issue du match, mais sur l'issue de la confrontation des deux équipes de supporters. Je vais laisser mon collègue ici présent vous détailler tout ça.
Capteurs de volume sonore déjà installés dans les stades pour des raisons de normes. Caout géant, y compris avec les téléspectateurs. Concours du meilleur déguisement dans le stade. Les possibilités sont presque infinies et tous peuvent participer. Les matchs sont gagnés par les supporters d'une équipe ou d'une autre, et les points sont comptabilisés au fur et à mesure de la saison. Un match dans un match, un championnat dans un championnat, pour toujours plus de paris et de folie. This is Vibate.
Merci à vous. On a décompté les applaudissements de votre temps de parole. C'est OK de parler en français si vous le souhaitez, anglais ou français, on l'a dit.
So remember, try to speak in English.
OK. Prochain groupe, le groupe numéro 100, tout rond.
So, next group is going to be group 100. Come to the back, please.
Backstage pour le groupe numéro 100. Et on écoute maintenant le groupe 133.
So, we're going to listen to group 133. We're ready for your pitch.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today, the global sports apparel market generates more than $180 billion a year with a 4.3% growth, annual growth. In France, sportswear represents 16% of the overall clothing budget. Today, less than 1% of sports apparel are recycled worldwide. With that in mind, consumers are increasingly researching precise information about the quality of the product they buy. People are more and more conscious of what they eat because information is available. They feel the need to know in depth the brands that accompany them, but they care less about sports apparel because information is not disclosed. For their part, sports industries professionals have difficulty communicating on their CSR initiatives, and our concept is EthiSports, an app to inform consumers about the brands they choose. Our goal is to have a 100% transparency on components and production, the origin of the products, 100% information for the consumer on the place and conditions of production, and also solid information about the company's background. To reach this goal, EthiSports will collect data from various sources, such as company websites, NGOs reports, or surveys. And if there is no reliable information, we will have to ask directly to companies on a specific product or range of products what they do on a specific matter, such as recycling, transport, working conditions, taxation, promotion of disabled sports, parity between men and women, and so on. With all the information collected, companies are assigned with an ethical score, and consumers can choose a product that suits their values. The goal of this app is to raise awareness and prevent greenwashing by distinguishing truth and falsehood about the company's external communication. With that being said, the app is 100% free, and there is a premium version which allows you to get access to the app on offline mode. So don't wait any longer. Ethics, go for it. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. 2 minutes, parfait. Le groupe 133 pour voter.
So that was group 133.
J'appelle maintenant le groupe 80 pour venir derrière la scène.
So group 80, come to the backstage.
Et nous écoutons maintenant le groupe 154.
So we're ready for group 154.
Allez, on les encourage un peu, allez.
Deux, c'est bon, parfait. Bonjour à tous, nous sommes la team Sustainable Olympics et notre objectif est de faire durer la fièvre des Jeux Olympiques à la fin des festivités. Et donc en fait, on a remarqué un problème assez récurrent dans les pays qui accueillent les Jeux Olympiques, c'est que la plupart des infrastructures sont laissées à l'abandon après la fin des festivités. Et donc on voit des images assez déplorables sur Internet. Et donc notre objectif est de trouver une seconde vie à ces infrastructures afin qu'elles puissent profiter à tous. Pour cela, on doit créer un lien entre des investisseurs privés, l'État et des fédérations sportives pour trouver un second usage à ces installations sportives et afin que ça profite à tous, autant aux sportifs qu'aux citoyens de nos villes. Donc pour ça, si vous avez encore un petit peu d'argent, que vous n'avez pas tout dépensé au Happy Hour de l'EM Lyon, n'hésitez pas à venir investir dans notre société pour trouver des nouveaux débouchés pour nos infrastructures et afin de faire durer la fièvre des Jeux Olympiques pour toujours. Merci.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Groupe 154 pour voter.
So if you want to vote for this group, 154.
J'appelle maintenant le groupe 137 pour venir derrière la scène.
Okay, group 137, come to the backstage.
Et nous écoutons le groupe numéro 100.
So we're ready to hear the pitch of group 100.
Welcome. We are Group 100, and together we decided to talk about eSport. Today I'm going to introduce you to Kevin. Kevin is a 14-year-old talented eSport player. He's playing almost every day to get better at his favorite game, League of Legends. Thanks to his perseverance, he has already won several online competitions. The thing is, Kevin is facing a big problem. The game he's playing is very team-based, so his performance relies a lot on his actual team. He has created a team with his high school friends, but he feels he cannot express his full potential. And this is why we came up with this idea I would like to present to you today. My eSport Mercato is a new way of connecting the professional teams and the young, talented eSport players. Basically, we are going to create the link between these two worlds. And now you may wonder, how is it going to make money? We are basing our entire business model on one side of the market. The professional teams are going to pay us. They are our targeted customer. Thank you for listening. We are My eSport Mercato, and we are very excited to talk with you with this project. Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup. L'équipe 100.
So that was Team 100.
J'appelle maintenant l'équipe 76 pour venir derrière la scène.
So Group 76, come to the backstage.
Et nous écoutons l'équipe 80.
So here we go. Team 80, let's hear your pitch.
Bonjour à tous. J'espère que vous êtes motivés cet après-midi. Ok, laissez-moi vous présenter la plus grosse innovation du siècle. Il s'agit d'une application dont le logo est sur le groupe 1A de l'EM Lyon, pour ceux qui sont... Ok. Oh. Un tonnerre d'applaudissements, s'il vous plaît.
Good afternoon, everyone. So many of us in this room today have aspired to be professional sportsmen. Our application, where is it? Okay. Our application, Sporto Buddy, lets you take little steps towards it. So the application goes threefold. What we want to do is we want to keep our data very transparent. So our application is going to ask you every time, because it's basically to get communities together. People who love football can make friends with people who love football. People who like handball can make friends with people who like handball, obviously. So the data will be used in a very transparent way. Suppose if we are asking your location, we are asking because we want to match you with somebody in Lyon, not with somebody in Uzbekistan. That's why we are doing that. Secondly, we are trying to get as many retired champions so that they can let you know what happened in their era, what they are expecting, and how things are going to move in the future. And thirdly, obviously there are going to be discounts, man. Everybody loves discounts. So you go to a shop, you go to Decathlon, you want to buy a football, and that's what you get, a 20% discount. So you rather buy two. So that's what Sporto Buddy is like. We want to be friends. We want to get friends together. We want all of us to make friends with the same mindset. So yeah, that's about it. Anybody? You want to go?
Juste un mot en français, en fait, Sporto Buddy, c'est une entreprise qui utilise vos données de façon totalement transparente et qui vous propose en retour des réductions sur tout ce qui est événements sportifs, donc tout ce qui est match, sur tout ce qui est consommation à côté. Voilà, n'hésitez pas à aller voir l'application et surtout le logo sur le groupe Facebook Sporto Buddy et OT Team 80. Merci beaucoup.
Merci à vous. C'était le groupe 80 pour vos votes.
So that was Team 80, if you want to vote for them.
Je ne vais plus appeler de groupe puisqu'on a nos deux derniers à passer. Et donc je vais appeler sur scène maintenant le groupe 137.
So, Group 137, come on stage.
So, hello everybody, my name is Agathe and that's my friend Remy.
Hi everyone.
So today we are here to introduce you our new project. So the concept is an ethical, inclusive solution for sentenced athletes.
Exactly. This is our ethical commitment to allow the great athletes who have left the race to get back in the saddle.
And we begin with an observation. Some high-level athletes can no longer practice at the level because of illness, accident, or end of career, for example.
And you may be this athlete. So we are convinced, as you are, of your intrinsic potential.
Our objective is to optimize this potential to find you the best level thanks to constant innovation.
And we will support your performances in the future. And how will we do that?
Good question. Thanks to a personalized support based on data processing on a case-by-case basis.
This is it. Our qualitative biometric analysis of your profile allows us to maximize your potential.
Our collaboration with the best research laboratories will allow us to introduce you the best actual solution.
This inclusive collaboration allows you to be part of the future of sports. You all,
having you,
the hero of tomorrow. Let us reveal it.
Merci pour le spectacle,
Votez
merci.
137.
Et merci pour votre proposition. C'était le groupe 137.
So that was group 137, if you liked them.
Et sous vos tonnerres d'applaudissements, puisque c'est le dernier groupe à passer, le groupe 76.
So, group 76, here we go.
Girls, have you ever been scared to go to the gym or went there and then felt uncomfortable? When you go there, there is harassment. Sometimes you feel exposed. You're not able to reach the pull-up station, or there is just not enough space to lay your mat. So this situation and feeling are faced by women every day when they go to the gym. In public places, men are known to take up more spaces than women, and they feel more entitled to it.
So our company family is trying to change that. We want to create spaces where everyone feels welcome and can enjoy exercising. Spaces where being a woman doesn't change where you stand or which machine you will use. At first, with the help of behavior specialists, our company will help private gyms design innovative spaces where everybody feels welcome, because we design gender equality.
To go even further, we will work with equipment suppliers to provide female-friendly equipment. We will work with trainers to be more female-focused. By creating better spaces for women, we will create better spaces for everyone. Gyms will be more inclusive for all gender, all size, all shapes, and all abilities. In the long run, we will also be able to work with public services to make all public sports facilities more welcoming and fairer. Join us in designing gender equality.
Merci beaucoup. C'était donc le groupe 76, s'il vous reste quelques votes.
So that was the group 76, if you wanted to vote for them.
Alors vraiment, un énorme bravo à tous ceux qui ont pitché cet après-midi. Merci pour eux.
Thank you, bravo for everybody who did the pitch. Give them a round of applause.
Conditions difficiles, hein. Vous aviez peu de temps, peut-être parfois pas dans votre langue, et devant effectivement beaucoup de monde dans ce palais des sports, donc vraiment bravo.
So that was really difficult. You had little time to do it. It was a lot of things to do. You're in a big place like this and you did it. Bravo!
Et je voudrais aussi vraiment féliciter tous ceux qui ne sont pas passés sur le pitch, mais qui ont travaillé et qui seront prêts dans d'autres occasions. Bravo à tous ceux qui ont participé.
Thanks to everybody that participated, whether you pitched or not.
La suite des opérations, on se retrouve ici dans 1 heure précise, à 15 heures. Un groupe parmi les 16 va pouvoir présenter devant une audience du coup très ouverte, juste avant les conférences.
Okay, so the next thing that's going to happen, in 1 hour, one of the groups will be pitching in front of a large audience.
Donc un des groupes sur les 16 va pitcher. Vous aurez l'information très rapidement sur la plateforme et sur WhatsApp.
So you'll have the information very quickly. One group will be selected to pitch in front of all.
Et vraiment à 15h pour tout le monde, venez soutenir le groupe qui va passer parce qu'il vous représente tous.
So please, everybody, come and support that team. Be behind them as they pitch for all of you.
Allez, rendez-vous dans 1 heure ici. Merci à tous.
See you in an hour.